can go into somebody's personal life.
Well, it's always some bitch that is not working. It's always somebody that doesn't have a job.
Treat you with his girly man bun.
So that wants to threaten other people's way of life. Right?
It's a weird sickness, especially over YouTube.
It's always.
So, just stop addressing them, please.
Oh, here, let me stop for a second. Yeah, that's the dude. Burnt lizard account. Nicola used to talk all sexy to Cox on Urban's panel, like they were on a date. She was slumming it up. Woo! Shit! Oh, baby.
Just stop addressing them. You got that much of a fucking problem with them. Stop addressing them because all we're seeing in the chat is you bitching at people. Please stop.
If that's a Cox account, fucking block him. Cox does not have a place in my chat. Fuck you, Cox. Fuck you, you fucking pervert. You fucking weirdo creep, Cox. Fuck you, bitch. You're the reason I'm leaving, along with Kirby and along with fucking Blazing Skur.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Try to panel up so I can kick your ass out of here, too.
Fuck off!
Fucking piece of shit. Cox, you're a fucking piece of shit.
You're being a distraction to the chat right now, and nobody else can have a conversation because all you do is bitching about being butthurt. I don't care who's attacked you. I don't care who you have problems with. Just come in here and chat.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Dude, shut the fuck up, Nick Cook, you piece of shit.
So you think that she fucking turned on you? Okay.
Yeah, all you do is fucking suck dick on fucking other people's panel. You weakling little midget little fag. Shut the fuck up.
Sorry, Teresa.
It's all good, dude. It's time to get Cox is not allowed here because Cox likes to think that the police forces around the United States would set up and plant a 14-year-old girl, let her get high on drugs and raped, so that they could let the guy plead down to a lesser charge. That's what Cox believes. That's what Cox believes the system is set up for. That's what he argues. Cox argues whether or not a child that may be 8 or 9 years old may be looked at as a sexual object. 8 or 9. He literally said 8 or 9 years old. 8 or 9. Season of the Sick, Volume 1. Part 3, I think, Cox, or Part 4. One of those. He's the second to the end right before Eric. Alright? So, go check him out. I know there's worse. I've heard him say worse. I've heard him defending the Weremouse. He fucking sent the dude dog food. He felt sorry for the guy. Alright, so let's discuss this real quick. Alright?
Trees, you don't even know the whole fucking situation. Get your fucking facts right, buddy. You send her fucking dog food, or Aaron talks about, or like that. That girl was 15. She was coming. She was 15. She turned 16 years old when Mouse had fucked her and raped her. And dog food. What about the main supporter of the rodent, enabling that fucking piece of shit sex offender? Who was that? It was Dustin, aka Flathead Corruption Watch. Then he had Citizen Z hobnobbing with the fucking rat. Oh yeah, he was paneling up, getting him animated cartoon. He gave him, Citizen Z gave the rodent, that rat fuck, 6 cartoons, even beginning for his little shit like that. Citizen Z is the one who does fucking animated sexual fucking shit like Sharky Shark and shit. Yeah, Citizen Z was known as Centurion. Centurion Report. He killed off the character and killed off Centurion Report on March 30th, 2018. Then that's when Citizen Z popped up. So yeah, you might want to do your research on that one there, treating man bum bitch.
Cox has been recorded on record repeatedly saying that the Weremouse can't even get it up. So apparently Cox went...
No, it's all these motherfuckers who are sitting there saying that shit. Dude, all these motherfuckers say, hey, yeah, rat can't get it up. Yeah, and people go and say, "Oh, Cox said that shit." No, he was repeating what Cindy said. Like everybody's still going around using his LARP video. When Aaron said, "Well, what should we do, guys? Should we hang it all up? 20 years of trolling, should I throw it away because it's posed as a defendant sex offender?" That was a LARP video. Aaron had that for 15 minutes, but shit. But yeah, your day, who put that up? Poor dirt farmer.
Over there and tried to give the guy a blowjob. Cox gave him a fucking hand job. Cox played with the weremouse's nuts and tested it and found that the weremouse indeed cannot get it up. Cox knows.
Now you're.
All right.
Okay, we got people getting timed out in chat and shit now. Reach.
Who got timed out?
Oh no, I see. Never mind.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
It's all good.
Never mind.
Hey, what's
Good
up,
job.
Andrea? Anyway,
What's up, Andrea?
so yeah, back to disgusting fucking Cox. All right, and while I was making those videos, and a big fucking chunk of information that people like to peaky blind past and fucking trot through, is Cox was contacting a pretty monotheism.
Glitter stalkers.
Cox was contacting and sliding in a pretty monotheism's DMs, right? Claiming that he could do these frequencies for her so she could do these spell castings, right? And in the process, she let it slip that she's fucking married, okay? And Cox was trying to get her to leave her husband.
No, that's totally wrong there, beta man bitch. No, Aaron was not trying to get with her. He knew that she was taking shit like that. She was the one trying to rub shoulders like that, because Aaron was having a frequency heal prayer session. But the problem was Blue Stalker was all about me, I. You don't do that when you have a prayer healing session. When you're open and cleansing your heart from the Savior of the Lord, Jesus Christ. You don't do that just about me like that. She was. His buddy was like, dude, this chick is weird, dude. I can't do this. I'm out. So yeah, Aaron like that. Then Glitterstalker was going around saying the cops were gang stalking her, trying to rape her and shit like that. And and she going around and say, oh, Aaron asked me. No, he simply said, well, if you feel that you're threatened, once you take a picture of your ID, you can show it to me and I'll help you out from people trying to set you up, get you deported, or get you arrested. Because she was proclaiming that ICE was after her, trying to deport her, shit like that. She's not a legal citizen. She's not an American citizen. She's an immigrant from Mexico.
He said it. So why is it okay for Cox to be doing all this subversive shit? All right, when I was wrenched up in Cox's chat, right, and I was being accused of hanging out with the pedo apologist and shit like that, right? I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is going on, and I kept saying, hey, well, at least, hey, I don't like Mouse. Hey, I think he's guilty. I heard his story, and I think it's fishy. I think he fucking did rape that girl, right? And I kept saying that shit, and I'm watching and I'm listening, right? Yeah, fuck off, Fox.
Treat your guts a good Muffin fantasy. Fuck your words, lady.
Shit, ever. I don't want to see your words. I don't want to hear your fucking voice. Ever. I'm so done with you, right? And so, what was I saying about Cox? Yeah. So he's contacting a pretty monotheism and trying to get her to leave her husband, and at the same time, Irby's sliding over here calling me a fucking cheat.
Gee, Treachy, man, a damn bunch. If you so fucking trigger Cox, why don't you call the cops? Call the FBI. You say, oh, I don't want to hear him. I don't want him fucking off YouTube. Are you rubbing shoulders with a poor dirt farmer in there with Billie Holiday? Want to get fucking YouTubes off of YouTube, arrested and locked behind jail, behind bars? Yeah. Go fucking hop down to Billie Holiday, you fucking weak ass fucking wank beta man bitch. Yeah. Go cut over with your snake. Go fucking two fucking you double wide and Oklahoma treach and Broken Arrow.
Cheater in front of my wife, right? Calling me a cheater in front of my wife. We're begging for proof. We want to see pictures.
I thought it was UD saying that shit.
And Urban's just sitting there smiling, you know, just fucking gaslighting. That's all he was trying to do, right? But Urban admits to having a sexual relationship with a pretty monotheism.
He does.
Married woman.
He's still with her.
Right.
He meant that he went to Huntington Beach and shacked up with her over a year ago.
Already was trying to fucking hit on. So, two fucking perverts that have no respect for the sanctity of marriage, had no respect for the sanctity of marriage, had no respect for God, what God wanted and what God planned and what God had in store for her marriage, right?
Yeah, you know, I didn't.
When's the midget fight start between Tweety and Lee?
And then I heard her say that all
That's the only reason I knew.
Oh.
Because I wanted that part. You know what Urban did, right?
Yep. Yep.
So, I need to take a drink. See, the thing is, cops, you're not welcome, and you still show back up. And all of your accounts are just gonna keep getting blocked. And you're a fucking weirdo, fucking stalking weirdo, fucking creepy piece of shit, dude, who likes to send money and food items to pedophiles. Fucking pedophiles, and you like to argue for them, and you like to play with their junk to see if it works. Your own fucking words, man. Your own fucking words, Todd. How the fuck do you know if another man's penis works?
You don't want to talk about Trees. You're the one to talk about fucking to see if another man's fucking penis gets erect or not. That's fucking creepy, Trees. I don't want to hear about that fucking shit. Who the fuck wants to fantasize another man getting his dick up? Unless you're watching fucking porn in the Trees. Trees, I mean, when you're watching porn, when you're watching the titties and the pussy and that, do you watch the man's erect penis and dick go inside the pussy, or are you watching the pussy getting destroyed and obliterated? Hey, I'm just asking for a friend, Treach. Just asking for a friend. You bitch made a man, bam mun.
Yo, he could have been like,
you beta man, little bun, little bitch.
He could have been like, hell, I didn't rape that little girl. I can't even get it up. And Cox is like, oh, well, hell, he can't even get it up. See?
No, that's what all the trolls were saying. Oh, Mouse can't get it up. There's no way he can have sexual relationship with the woman.
Fucking idiot.
Dude, Aaron was just repeating what people were saying. My fucking God.
Away, Cox. Fuck off or keep coming back in your different accounts so I can block every goddamn one of them. Silent when Penny's not in my chat. I don't think Nicola and Penny know each other.
Oh, they do, apparently.
But we're all connected, right? Thanks to Lee Veltman.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so I've been on your panel now a few times, so, you know, everything that you've said and done going back over the last 5 or 6 years.
You're co-signed. You're co-signed.
Yep. I am.
You're on the deed to my house.
Yeah, right? I appreciate that, by the way.
Dude, Becky brought up earlier that